following directions of that song. Alright, so today's my last day and we are on the bus. We're taking the bus to Roseau and we're going to try to stop to as many waterfalls as possible today. And 3 minimum waterfalls. Because I only did one so far and I know Dominica has some gorgeous waterfalls, but the one that we did yesterday was I just fell in love with that one. That one's my favorite. I already feel like it's my favorite. So we're just waiting, I guess, for the bus to fill up and then we're headed down. So we just got off the bus and for now we're just strolling through Roseau. So I'll show you guys a view of the town. Yeah, say hi.
Bye.
Okay, so we are actually going to have some KFC. I can't believe I almost forgot that I need to try KFC in every island in the Caribbean. Let's see how Dominican's KFC is. We're just walking on the road. That's what Dominicans like to do. Just arrived in a KFC. So KFC is pretty busy and like every other KFC in the Caribbean. So I grabbed us a seat and Deanna's ordering for me. I got 3 wings, biscuits, I don't remember, but I want to take the chicken. I didn't have butter or jelly for the biscuit, but baby, this biscuit is good. It's good without the butter, without the jelly. We're stopping for some drinks before we head to the waterfall, and we're at, I think it's a 7-Eleven. You see right here. You can see the name, but right here. So we just made it to Jacko Falls and I'm about to hop in right now. Alright, we're in the water, but it's cold. It's cold. Okay, I can do this. The waterfall is so gorgeous though. We're chasing waterfalls today, so next waterfalls, and I think we're going to Spanny Falls since it's close by. So actually these rocks are slippery, so I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm a Dominican and welcome to Spanny Falls and it is this way. Let's go. Come on, guys. This is a really nice tree, though. Yeah, girl might need a picture there. Okay. So we're walking up the path to Spanny Falls, and it's a really pretty path. I'm guessing we're almost there. We're almost there? Yes. I can't wait to see it. So we have some steps, and Dominica Waterfalls will definitely keep you fit. It's a bit of a workout, but we like that. We want to stay fit. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, that was it for Spanny Falls. It was a lot of fun, but on to the next. Don't go chasing waterfalls. This is me not following directions of that song. Must say, Dominica does an amazing job with making waterfalls accessible. I can definitely appreciate that. It's like a gorgeous walk to the waterfall. You can take pictures along the way. Everything's just aesthetically pleasing and I love it here. So we got a little lost, but that's okay because it's gorgeous. So we had so much fun on the road. We ended up wasting a little bit of time. The sun is setting, as you can see, it's getting darker. And Trafalgar, oh my god, I hope I said it right. That waterfall we were supposed to go to, but it's a little bit of a trek and we didn't want to be there at night, you know. So we're going to some hot spring and it's called Kwen Glosho, which means, you know, little corner hot water, but hot water little corner, I don't know, whatever, however you want to order the words. But we just arrived and this is what it looks like. Hello. Thank you. So we are just grabbing some food at Keeping It Real, and everyone was saying that I need to try Keeping It Real, so I'm glad that I finally got some food here. And I think we ended the day perfectly. That would be better English. But yeah, the hot springs and now getting some good food, then to rest for my flight tomorrow. This is the end of my trip to Dominica. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I wish I got to stay longer. I'm definitely coming back because I know there's so much more to see. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I came with the perfect person. Miss Dominica over here. She was the best host. She took me all around. Her friends were amazing and so fun. I had such a great time. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like, share, comment, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. And go follow me! Yes, follow Dee's Curve! Bye guys! Bye.